Believe it or not, white has the ability to checkmate the black king. However, achieving this will necessitate more than just imaginations. Take your time, pause the video if necessary. It is white's turn to strategize and make its move. Forget the queen and move your bishop to c6. The only logic move for black, rook to b1, forcing the king to flee. Unfortunately, the rook takes the queen. Hold tight, it's coming more crazy. We are going to sacrifice the bishop. But how? Taking the rook in this position will be futile, as your opponent will simply advance its pawn. Bishop can take, but after it will be captured. Don't forget, he has 2 pawns left. You will sacrifice your bishop this way, by moving it from c6 to g2. The black king will then capture the bishop. It's totally insane, but your knight is going to make a miracle. Move your knight from g6 to f4. The knight can then capture on g2 or h3. The black king's only option is to move to g1. If the knight moves to h3, white does not have a check, as the pawn can capture it. But here's the brilliant move. The white king moves to e1. With this clever move, a bishop and a rook are unable to move, essentially trapped. The black king is also restricted in its movements. The only viable option is to advance the pawn from g3 to g2. This sets the stage for the final blow to the black king. Knight moves to e2, delivering a checkmate. Sometimes, sacrifice is the key to win.